I'm my name is Lapta Anton Agisomchot. My metric number is 211301474. Today I will explain demo about lab 3, which is a socket and introduction to GUI. Okay, for the first task one, the requirement is write a Java program and make communication between client and server in a fixed port, which is a 222, which is and local host, and using the word of stop to stop the communication. And then the task two is about UI, uh, using a UI but similar, use the similar program or similar operation. Okay. Okay, first we start with the this is our server Java. This is client Java. Okay, we go to the server, run the server, then run the client. I will say this is for client, this is for server. So server is greeting to the client. Okay, now start to the server. Hello. Okay. Okay. The server will receive hello from the client. Then we go hi. Okay. It also receive on server. So now them can now communication between server and client. You see here is the information of the client, which is 127 point dot 0.0.1 is the IP address of a local host. This sentence, and the port is 222. Okay, and the port of the client is 5x1, which is different, which is with different with, from server host, which is fixed to 2222, but the client use the dynamic dynamic, what do we call, dynamic from range of available port, and the client will use a temporary port. Now we use the client to stop, use word of stop to stop the communication between server and client. Okay, now, okay, see, communication now is stopped, cannot enter anything now. Okay, now this the stop can also, both side can use the stop word. Okay, here we go. Now I will just stop from the client. Okay, they also can stop from the client and also from server. Okay, let's go. Okay, and then the client stop. Okay, so then both can just stop word to start the connection. Now we go to the task two, which is a UI. Same similar program and same operation. Okay, now we start with server run. Okay, then we have client run. Okay, now we have client and server on the board. Okay, same version. The information of the client. Okay, now client say hello and send. You say hi, send. Okay, so just stop word to stop the combination. Also same with the previously, but this is just a GUI. Okay, so now let's stop. Okay, okay, still can hear, but here cannot communicate. This is the communication is down. Thank you. So all about this is my presentation, demonstration of the lab 3. Thank you.